So one of the things that you can actually do is import out image sequences that you may have in Adobe Media Encoder. So to do that, you can go ahead and click on the plus button right here to add in source. And then what you can do is you can go around over here onto files, let's say for example, and here I have image sequence. So I can go ahead and click right here and you can see that I have an option to select out sequence right here. So if I were to go ahead and select out sequence right here, just like this, then it'll go ahead and take this as a sequence. You can also force alphabetical order so that the sequence is arranged out as per the alphabetical order that you have for this particular a sequence. So flower 000 is there, so alphabetical order means it will take the number, so it will take flower 001 as the second image source. So if I were to click on open now, it'll actually go ahead and load it up as an image sequence from 000 to 532, which is the number of frames that it has. I can even go ahead and play this around right here, as you can see, and you can see a preview of the image sequence. And this is simply how you can actually go ahead and import out image sequences inside of Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.